What's up everybody, Johan here from Trading Walk. So just look at this chart here using FX master code. You can see during this morning we had 1, 2, 3, 4 signals on the Euro USD chart, the 1 minute chart. And you can see here the beautiful thing about FX master code is new signal here. So we'll see how this play out. When we get the signal at the close of the candle, we choose a binary option in the direction of the signal. So when we get the sell signal right here, we choose a binary option with expiration 3 minutes. So 3 minutes from this signal, price will be below this level. And you see 1, 2, 3, we close down here. So we're below this level and this is a win. Then you have this signal right here, and it's a sell signal. So we say that 3 minutes from this one, price will be below this level. So 1, 2, 3, you see price closes here, and this is also a win. Basically, you see here, you don't need to worry about your stop loss and your profit target, because when trading binary options make this very easy. You basically just follow the signal and you say either below or above price. And when you have these clear red and green signals, makes it very easy. So 2 wins here, and then we have a buy signal now. So we say 3 minutes from this one, price will be above this level. So we have 1, 2, 3, we close above the level. This is also a win. And you have this new buy signal right here. So 3 minutes from this candle, you will have price above, and we see 1, 2, 3, we close above this level. So this is also a win. And now we have this buy signal here. So 3 candles from this one, price will close above this level, and you see we're above it now. So we have 1, 2, we wait for the close of this candle and see if this also a win. And you see here, even though we're below the level for some time, you often see this, that price snaps back right above the level and turns out a win. So you see this trade also a win because we close above this level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners on the Euro USD 1 minute chart.